Our next topic is time talk, page number 19. Look at your books, all of you. Time talk, the clock. In modern days, we have clocks and watches to tell us the time. The clock has two hands, short hand and long hand. When the long hand of the clock completes one round, we know that 1 hour has passed. The short hand of the clock points to the hour. There are 24 hours in a day. One day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The calendar. A calendar shows the months, weeks, and days in a year. Calendars help us to remember holidays and other important dates. There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 12 months and 365 days in a year. In some years, there are 366 days. These years are called leap years. The months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. A month that begins on Sunday will always have a Friday, the 13th day. So, this is the calendar. Now, coming to the topic, time talk. Next topic is about time talk. Time talk. So actually we want to see the time. For example, we want to see the time. Now it's 12:23. How do we came to know that it is 12:23? By seeing the clock or by seeing the watch? Yes, you come to know that it is now 12:23. Now it's 12:24. Like one minute the time will be changing. So actually we see the time in the clocks or watches. Yes, in these modern days, we have clocks and watches to tell us the time. But in olden days, there were no clocks and watches. Okay, people used to see the time or they used to know the time by the different shadows of the, yes, different shadows. In previous lesson also I told you, by seeing the shadows, they came to know whether it is a morning time, evening time, or afternoon time. Like in the morning time and evening time, the sun will be in a like slanting, means the shadow will be in a slanting way. Morning, they came to know that sun rises in the east. So morning time, sun rises in the east, and evening time, sun sets in the west. And in the afternoon time, sun will be on the top of our head. So by the shadows, they came to know that this is morning, this is evening, and this is afternoon. And when there is no sun, it is night time. So like that, the olden days, the days were going. But in the modern days, like we have clocks and watches to tell the time. So this clock will have actually two hands. Yes, actually it has three hands, but main hands are short hand and long hand. Short and long. So what is the short hand and what is the long hand? The short hand is, the long hand is the minute hand, and the short hand is the hours hand. You can see here, short hand is in red color and long hand is in green color. So short is the hour hand and long is the minute hand. So when the long hand of the clocks completes one round, we know that 1 hour has passed. Okay, if it is completing one round, the which one? The long hand. Yes, the short hand will be on the number and the long hand will be moving. So that day I have shown you know this one. So this is clock. So you are having the clock here, and in this clock you will have exactly 12 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like this you will have 12 numbers, and some clocks will have only 3, 6, 9, 12. Some clocks, not all, some. And in some watches, no, they don't have even numbers also. Just they will have some lines like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For example, see, in my watch there are no numbers and no just lines are there. So like that, different numbers and lines will be present. So this is a clock. So if the in the clock, if the long hand is completing one round, means 1 hour has passed. And where is the shorthand, that time we will recognize and we will tell exactly the time. For example, the shorthand of the clock points the hour. Now the shorthand is on 3 and long hand is on 12. So exactly the time is 3. See in the picture, I'm telling about the picture. So in this picture, the shorthand is near 3, means exactly towards 3. Long hand is on 12. So now it is 3. Now coming here, you can tell here also. Yes, for example, if the short hand is on 12 and the long hand is again on 12, means exactly it is 12 o'clock. For example, the short hand is at 9 o'clock. Yes, 9. And the long hand is at 12. For example, this one. Now it is 9 o'clock. Exactly it is 9 o'clock. Now if the short hand is here and long hand is here, 6 o'clock. Yes, if it is like this. Yes, 3 o'clock. For example, the shorthand is here. It is 3 o'clock. If it is here, yes, the shorthand is here. 1 o'clock. Okay. Now here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. Now it's 12:28. So here, how you will see 12:28? Here it should come here. And this long hand will come here. 28 here. This one will be here. Okay. 12:28. See here, like this. So it should come here up to here like this and here. Now it is 12:28, 12:29. After 1 minute, it will come onto the here exactly, and it is 12:30. So like this, we can know the time. So this is the clock. Now coming to the next one, you see. So there are 24 hours in a day. 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours. See children. Means see, for example, actually 12 numbers are there, but 24 hours are there. Yes, because 12 hours will be daytime and 12 hours will be night time. That's the reason. So there are 24 hours in a day and you can use all that hours. See, now it is 12, 20, 2 or 23 it is showing in this picture. Next. Now coming to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So in 1 day, 24 hours will be. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That day I have shown you, know, like 60 minutes, how you will count the 60 minutes. So our watch is a 5 table. So those who don't know to see the watch, now you can learn. Our watch is a 5 table. So starting from 12. You can learn from here from 12. 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Again coming on to the 12, 60. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now this is about clock. Now coming to the next one, that is the calendar. It is very, very important. Say a calendar plays an important role in our daily life because each and everyone in the house, we have calendars, and we have different calendars also, like different types of calendars. So actually these calendars will help us to remember or to know the dates. Yes, to know the weeks. For example, today is 9th December and today is Wednesday. How do we came to know that today is 9th? That is because of the calendar only. So we'll open the calendar, we'll see the December month, and we'll see today is 9th, tomorrow is 10th. After 20 days, December will finish and you will come to a new year, January 2021. So like this, a calendar shows months, weeks, and days in a year. Calendar help us to remember all the holidays and important days also. Even what are the important days? Your birthdays, yes, and January 1st, festivals, if any functions are there, or if any holidays are there. For example, August 15th, now August 15th and January 26th, they are very important for us, the people who are living in India, because we will celebrate Independence Day on August 15th and Republic Day on January 26th, and you will get a holiday also, like you will go only for flag hoisting, again you will come back to home. So like important days and holidays, Sundays, and festivals. Your birthdays are very important, you will remember your birthdays. If any functions, marriages, yes, marriage days, everything we all see in the calendar only. And there are 7 days in a week. Yes, they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And each and every day is having its own importance. You can't say that Sunday is only good. No, Monday morning we don't want to go to school, so Monday is not good. No, every day is important. If you want to Sunday, Monday should come. From Monday to Saturday, all the days come only, then you'll get Sunday. So each and every day is very, very important. Next, there are 12 months or 365 days in a year. Normal year, you call it as a year. Okay, 365 days. But leap year will have 366 days, 1 day extra. Why? In the normal days, like 12 months, you will have 28 days in February. But in a leap year, you will have 29 days in February. So this leap year will come once in 4 years. Already in 2020 it came. Now again in 2024 the leap year will come. So there are 12 months or 365 days in a year, and in some years there are 366 days, and that years are called as leap year. So this 1 day where you will get extra in February month. So normally in February month we will have only 28 days, but in leap year for this February you will have 29 days. 1 day will be extra. So those who have born on 29th February, no, they have to celebrate their birthday once in 4 years. So they will get their birthday once in 4 years. That is leap year, February 29th. Next, what are the months? Yes, the 12 months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All the months are very, very important because we have our birthdays on our different months. Some may have January, some may have February, March, April, May, June. You are having your birthdays on different months. Some may have July 1st, some may have June, some may have November, some may have December. So all the 12 months are very, very important. And this is the calendar of 2021. Next year's calendar this is. Okay, now we are in 2020. Now this is the calendar of 2021. In your book, they gave the calendar of 2020. But here I am showing you the calendar of 2021. Okay, children. So this is about clock, hours, calendar, the 7 days of the week, the 12 months of the year, the calendar, and everything. So when is January 1st coming? January 1st is coming on Friday. Yes, Friday it is coming. December 31st is on Thursday, and January 1st is coming on Friday this time.